Have you thought of sailing in or out of Buenos Aires on a cruise? This video is going to take you through a almost step-by-step walkthrough from a bus to the ship. This video was recorded in February 2024, and the reason why it's a little bit different here than in Florida or other major cruise ports around the world is because you have to drop off your baggage at a different location and then they shuttle you to the cruise port. For now anyway, you're going to be walking on the public street into the terminal. So just keep in mind here that some of the people that are around the port area don't necessarily work for the ship or the cruise port. Notice you can pick up different tours on the street, and there's also public taxis. Let's go inside the terminal now. What do you think about the cruising is the best music with the tango and house music vibe? Did you know that Buenos Aires is the birthplace of tango and they have some of the best tango shows in the world? Booking a tango show in Buenos Aires is a must-do. Back to our walkthrough, this is the port area, so you could buy some souvenirs here. The first time I was here was in 2019, and I'm pretty sure that it's been updated since then. This is a popular port for just cruising to, but also it's a major embarkation cruise port. Both times I was down this way, Buenos Aires was an overnight port. What that means is the ship will get in one day early in the morning and doesn't leave until the next day late at night. This gives you lots of opportunity to explore the city, and like I said, maybe you could grab that late night tango show in town. I'll be making a video on the tango show that I visited and why I think it's the best. The first time I came down this way, there were performers that came on board and they performed a show. It was a local tango show and folkloric show. The second time around though, wow, it was a whole different league of performers on, and they were unbelievable. So you can see that the port is nice and modern, and look at the artwork on the wall. Well, it's kind of like a museum to me. It's paying homage to the container port. Okay, now we are heading upon security, and I'm gonna have to take my camera off for a little bit, but wait till you see what's on the other side. You just can't get enough. Cruising is the best. Sailing with the waves, party on the deck. It's fun for holidays. Cruising is the best. Sailing with the waves, party. That's it, folks. You get to go on a bus ride through a container port, and so if you've never done this before, it's pretty cool. At least I think it's pretty interesting to see what the shipping containers look like and how they're loaded onto the different cargo ships. And really, you can't just walk through a place like this. You can see from the original place where you started dropping off your luggage to get to the ship, it's quite a distance. You've probably seen some of these shipping containers before, maybe on a train or on a transport truck somewhere. Have you ever actually seen them on a cargo ship or being lifted onto a cargo ship? It's quite a sight to see. I'll stop narrating for a little bit and I'll let you listen to some music and watch the views, and I'll catch up with you later in this video.
Let's go on a cruise. There's lots of ports I say. How about Argentina? Leave out of Buenos Aires. Let's finally take that cruise. That ocean might get rough, but we really like our cruising. We just can't get enough. Let's go on a cruise. There's lots of ports I say. Should we sail around the Cape in this Chile? Cruising is the best. Sailing with the waves. Party on the deck. It's fun for holidays. Cruising is the best, sailing with the waves, party on the deck, it's fun for holidays. Cruising is the best, sailing with the waves, party on the deck, it's fun for holidays.
Alright, we've approached our ship. Now see how long it takes in a bus to get from the front of the ship to about maybe 2/3 of the way down. The cruise ship you're looking at is the Sapphire Princess. If you want to learn more about the Sapphire Princess cruise ship, subscribe to my channel, Cruise and Jules, or you can watch some of the videos I've already posted, including a cabin tour of P224, which is one of these rectangular windows you're looking at. For new cruisers, that was the gangway we just passed. There's another one coming up, and basically it's the ramp that gets you from shore to ship. Alright, it's about time to hop on board. I'll be posting more videos of this 14-day cruise from Buenos Aires to San Antonio, Chile. We'll see you around. Please subscribe to the channel Cruise and Jules and hit the like. See you in the next video.